It's late March right now, and a great time to harvest these guys right here. They're ramps. In my winter video, I showed you digging up one of the bulbs, but this is the leaf portion of them. They sprout about this time of year. But if you're gonna harvest them, make sure you do it sustainably. Really, you only want to take one leaf per plant. That way it can continue to grow. But they're delicious. It's kind of a mix between lettuce and onion. Some people like to saute them, but I actually like them raw. I think they're better raw. But again, make sure you're only taking one leaf per plant. Great wild edible.